What's up, YouTube? It's Crypto Kyle again. We're looking at DGB. I know there's been a lot of hype around this lately with McAfee coming out and saying that it was a good coin to buy. It didn't get much pop off that, however, maybe because he is claiming to have like a troll account on Twitter that's kind of, saying that he's involved in these pump and dumps. This doesn't look like a pump and dump to me, though. It looks just like it's a steady trend. But it's just not ready yet to go long because we're extended on the daily off the 9 moving average, and it's on a pullback now. So it's going to slowly come back down. I would look to go long, maybe 6 cents area. Let's take a look at the fibs. Yeah, I like it in between the 6 cents and 5 cents area, if it can hold that moving average here. So we're going to see probably another red candle tomorrow, maybe one the next day as it starts to catch this 9. We'll just wait for volume. And if we get a green candle that breaks the previous high of the previous day, then we're going to go long. So you're going to look for something like this. See this red candle here? And we broke the high on this candle, that one right there. So that's a good long entry. So if you had been long there, this is our peak here. We got a pullback. We're going to go long about right here to right here. We're going to see it catch the 9. We're going to say, oh, okay, it's bouncing. That's fine. And then we're going to wait for that break. Boom. We get the break. We get a push. We break the previous high right here. That's really bullish. We're going to hold on to our position. And then we're going to get a push up into this 127 moving average. And it even went up almost to the 136, it looked like, but quickly sold off on that day. We got a little bounce. So, yeah, you could have held. I would have set my stop at break even. Obviously, this day didn't break this day's low. So that is a sign to hold on to the position. And that would have been a real hard stop right there had this candle broken this right here to the downside. You would have needed to exit that trade immediately. It's going to go against you really quick. That would have been a pump and dump. So it looks like it's holding up here. However, I think that the next candle is going to be red, and we're going to see a lot of selling because the people that are holding on to it may get a little panic that it didn't get the pop, the McAfee pop that we're used to, right? So I'm going to wait on this one, and that's my plan. So I think maybe between 6 cents and, what did I say, 6 and 5 cents. I think somewhere in there. So let me mark this. Between here and here, I like it for a long. So I'm going to wait. We're going to see a couple red, and then I'll wait for the next green one to break the previous high of the previous day. So that's my plan. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Emails below. Please subscribe to the channel. You can follow my trades. Hopefully, we're making some money and not losing too much. That's the game, right? So, doing pretty well in these cryptos so far. XVG, like I said, I wanted to go long between 16 and 20. I ended up getting a little fear of missing out because I had it long at 12 and got a little spooked that day that it all sold off, and it came all the way down to 8. So I waited for the bounce and sold at 13. And it went on a huge run, and I didn't chase it. So then I ended up chasing it late, and I'm getting burned now. So luckily I took a starter position, so I'm going to be adding to my position when I see what I just talked about on DGB, was that I want to see a green candle break the previous high. So we have a red candle here, and we're gonna probably see one tomorrow. And I'm liking that this has a huge wick on the low side. So that means people are coming in buying it back up, and we're not getting a lot of selling volume. So that's really bullish to me. I want to see that, and then we want to kind of consolidate, and then we want to catch the 9 again for another huge leg up, and I want to average my cost down from 25 to potentially 20 if I can get it at 16 on that low end side. So I want to average my cost down to somewhere in between the two, and then just catch like hopefully a 100% gainer on the next leg up to about, I think 50 cents is my target. So that would be sweet. Like right in this area is my target. Yeah, right in here. So I want to break that previous high, catch it to here. To here is my target. Get rid of that. Maybe even get up to there would be sweet. So sell right in this area here. Okay, that's it for me, guys. Happy trading. Cheers. Merry Christmas.